In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change subscriber in Xero. Changing the subscriber in Xero hands over billing responsibility and subscription management to someone else, so it's important to do it carefully. You'll need to be the current subscriber or have permission to manage the subscription. If you're the good to go, sign into Xero and head to your dashboard. Start by opening the menu at the top right of the screen where your name appears. This is your account menu, and it's where Xero keeps organization and billing options. Click your name to open the dropdown, then choose Subscription and Billing. This takes you to the billing area for your organization, where you can see the current subscription details and who's responsible for payment. On the subscription page, look for the three dots menu next to the subscription you want to transfer. This menu houses additional actions. Click the three dots to reveal the options, then select Request Transfer. You're about to nominate the new subscriber, so be sure you're on the correct organization if you manage more than one. A form will appear asking for the new subscriber's details. Enter their first name and last name exactly as they use them in Xero to make the handover as smooth as possible. Next, enter their email address. Use the email they actively use for Xero and billing communications, and double check for typos. An incorrect email will prevent them from receiving the transfer request. Before you send the request, it's worth noting what happens next. Xero will email the person you nominated, asking them to accept the transfer. Billing doesn't move until they accept. Once they do, future invoices go to them and they'll control the subscription. Your access to the organization doesn't automatically change with the transfer. You'll keep your user role unless the new subscriber updates it later. When you're confident the details are correct, click Request Transfer to send the invitation. You should see a confirmation on screen that the request was sent. If the person doesn't receive the email within a few minutes, ask them to check their spam or junk folder and verify that you used the right address. Also, make sure they have or can create a Xero login associated with that email. That's it. You opened your account menu, went to subscription and billing, used the three dots to find Request Transfer, entered the new subscriber's first name, last name, and email, and sent the request. Thanks for watching, and take a moment to confirm the recipient accepts the invitation so the handover completes smoothly.